Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, we are going to troubleshoot this issue guys. This issue occurs when you try to share your printer on your Windows 10 and 11 system. So error code could be this one, like operation cannot be completed error 0 into and 5 times 0 709. If you are facing this issue, this video is for you. I will show step by step how to troubleshoot this issue. Okay, so step number 1 is we need to make sure that the shared printer is discoverable in our network. Okay, so we need to go to the here network, or we can right click there and click on open network and internet setting. And once you open that, we need to scroll down and we need to look for change adapter options. Okay, let me go back here once. We need to click on this option which says network sharing, and this option network and sharing center, click on that. Once you click on that, we need to go to the change advanced sharing settings, and here is the most important setting guys. Let me minimize all of them. We need to go to the private first and make sure to turn on networking and discovery and turn on file and printing share. Go to guest and public and make sure you turn off discovery, but you can turn it on. Okay, turn it on, just click on that and just click on turn on filing and printing sharing. Also all network, choose this option, use 128-bit encryption to help the filing protection recommended, and just click on this option, turn off password protected sharing. Okay, tick this option, and rest of them you need to turn on, and then click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, your issue should fix now. If it doesn't fix your issue, so we have the troubleshooter for you also guys. Just click on this option setting, then click on setting icons. We need to go to the Bluetooth and other devices, printer, and in here look for printer and scanner, and simply we can run the troubleshooter from here. Once you have run the troubleshooter, it will automatically try to resolve your issue and will resolve your issue. What is the error? It is checking for the spooler services also. Okay, it couldn't identify the issue, but in your case, if it is asking to apply the fix, just click on apply the fix and your issue will be fixed. Also step number 3, open the services and from here run as admin. Printer spooler is the most important service in this case guys, so click on P and look for your print spooler service. Just right click and go to its properties and choose startup type to automatic and simply start it. If it is stop like this, just click on start and choose the startup type is automatic, hit apply, hit OK, and also stop it once. So let me stop it. Once you have stopped it, just restart it and again restart it. So this will refresh all the setting related to the printer and it will resolve your issue instantly. Okay, if it doesn't fix the issue, let's move on to the fourth step. Just right click there over the device manager, and once you go to the device manager guys, we need to look for here the options which says all the drivers related to this option, network and adapters. Let me look for if any service is related to the printer here. Okay, no service is related to the printer here, so don't follow this step guys. Okay, but make sure all the drivers are up to date on your system. That will fix the issue. Also we can try here, just open the control panel. Sometime if Windows update can cause this issue. After that you are getting the issue, choose the large icons here. After that click on uninstall programs and features and click on install updates. Look for the latest update with this option. Okay, just click on that option and simply click on that and simply uninstall the latest package from here. Right click and simply uninstall it. As you can see here, simply uninstall it like this way. And after that, once you have uninstalled the latest package, in my case this is the latest package, to uninstall it, and you have to restart your system after that, and your issue should fix now. So I hope guys, after applying these 4 methods, your issue is fixed now. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.